Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear history on iQIYI. In order to clear your search history in iQIYI, open up your iQIYI application on your mobile device first. From the home page after logging in, tap on the Me button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the Me menu, go ahead and tap on History. In the History list, tap on Edit at the top right and select the content you'd like to remove from your history. If you want to delete all your history, simply go ahead and tap on the Select All button at the bottom left, and this will select all of the contents on your history list. Now click on Delete at the bottom right, and this will delete the selected contents. Confirm by tapping on Delete again, and there you have successfully cleared your history in iQIYI. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more iQIYI tutorials. I will be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.